Hi, welcome to NK Academy. This is Nandini, and in today's video, you're gonna learn 15 smart sentences which will help you look more fluent and more confident. These are the common sentences used by the native speakers of English. When we talk, we generally tend to use the same sentences and phrases over and over again. This makes the conversation sometimes very boring. So I thought, why not we learn some new phrases and new sentences which are really smart so that you too look a smart speaker of English. So let's begin. The first sentence, I'm on the fence. This means you can't decide. You're torn between two options. Instead of saying, I am confused, you can say, I'm on the fence. I was standing at the ice cream counter, not sure if I should take vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream. I was on the fence. Many people in the USA are still on the fence. They haven't yet decided whether to go for vaccination or not. Second sentence, zip your lips. To remain silent, not to talk. I'm going to zip my lips in front of Dad. You must explain to him why we need extra $1,000 every month. The assistant manager zipped her lips during the meeting because she knew that it's pointless to say anything. Third sentence, I'm swamped. This means I'm very busy. If somebody asks you to do something and you already have a lot of work and you are in no mood of taking extra work, then you can say, I'm sorry, I'm swamped. I can't help you right now. You can also say, I would love to go for a movie today, but I'm swamped with work. Number 4, you are so jammy. If we want to say someone is very lucky because something good has happened to him without he putting any extra effort, then you can say you're so jammy. This is mostly used in informal situations. I have never seen Jane studying hard, but always she manages to get a good grade. She's so jammy. You have always been jammier in getting a good job. Number 5. Stop faffing around. This means stop wasting time. If you say someone is faffing around, you mean to say they are doing things in a disorganized way and not achieving anything. It was annoying to watch them faffing around when an immediate response was required. The manager was annoyed at the delay. He called for a meeting and warned the core committee to stop faffing around, else they'll have to face the consequences. Number 6. Keep it under wraps. This means to keep it as a secret. The project was kept under wraps for ages. For the security reasons, we are keeping the information under wraps. Number 7. Chop chop, we are getting late. This means hurry up, we are getting late. Chop chop means quickly, without delay. Chop chop, we'll miss the bus at this rate. Chop chop, we haven't got all day long. Number 8. You should keep the eye on the ball. This means you should be focused and attentive. This is an informal way of saying someone to pay attention to a situation. She really needs to keep her eyes on the ball if she wants to crack the deal. It's important to keep our eyes on the ball because tomorrow our most important client is visiting our company. Number 9. Let's table this conversation. This means let's pause or postpone. We are getting off the topic, so let's table this conversation today and revisit it next week. The bank has disapproved our loan application, so we have to table this project. Number 10. Please keep me in the loop. This means keep me informed. Since you are meeting the boss about the presentation, keep me in the loop and let me know what he says. I have to go to Scotland for the meeting, but you keep me in the loop about the project. Number 11. Let's put the topic on the back burner. This means let's not discuss the topic now. Let it simmer or cool down so that it's not the main focus because you have some other things to do. Let's put this topic on the back burner until next month because we have urgent matters to deal with. The government quietly put the scheme on the back burner. Number 12. He asked me to answer off the cuff. This means someone has asked you to answer spontaneously. He asked you spontaneously without giving you any hint. My boss asked me to present the report off the cuff and I was not ready for it. I wasn't prepared for the speech, so I just said a few words off the cuff. Number 13. I will wing it. This means I'm not prepared, but I will do it. Let's see how to use it in a sentence. I'm not prepared to give the presentation today, but I will just wing it. I was sick and not attending this college, but when I came to know that there is a test, I thought I'll wing it. Number 14. I have cold feet. This means I'm scared. Instead of saying I'm scared, you can say I have cold feet. He got cold feet when he heard the news that he got a transfer to a remote place. Sejal is the only member in the family who seems to be getting cold feet about moving to the new house. Number 15. I want to pick your brain. This means I want to ask you a question. So instead of saying I want to ask you a question, you can say I want to pick your brain. Do you have a moment? I need to pick your brain about a little situation that has come up. I have absolutely no idea how to fix this problem. I'll find Mike and pick his brain. So these are all the 15 sentences, smart sentences, which you can sprinkle in your daily conversation and sound an advanced speaker of English. That's all for today. Hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for being with me till the end of the video. And if you want, you can do me 3 favors. 1. You can consider subscribing my channel if you are visiting it for the first time. 2. You can hit the like button because that would encourage me to make more videos. 3. You can share this video with your friends because when you share, you grow. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Signing off. Bye bye.